Hi YouTube friends, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. In today's video we're going to reveal our remodeled and renovated RV kitchen. But first we pick up from where we left off in our last video where we installed a peel and stick tile backsplash. So if you haven't seen that yet and you're interested, there'll be a link in the description box. Before we show you the before and after of this RV renovation, we're going to install some cedar around our slide. So let's get right into this.
How's it going?
Good.
Oh,
Caught
gosh.
me off guard. Wrapped this in cedar, obviously. So this is a extra piece of wood and it's a template. So I'm just kind of marking and then transferring that over to the real long piece of cedar.
The big one. Okay.
Yeah, and I just kind of cut this. Here's my first cut over here.
Sweet.
So then I'll just put some white caulk here.
Oh, I see. And then you're gonna notch this so that it comes down to here. I thought, there's a big gap.
But it's more complicated because this board won't fit behind here.
That makes sense.
So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do.
You'll just notch it.
I can put a piece of white trim board here too to even, you know what I mean? I can.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, so I'm kind of still sorting through what to do.
That's a super good idea. I think I actually like the aesthetic of that better.
And then here I'm going to put a piece of real thin wood right here to cover this. Like here, this is off, but that's fine. So I'm going to take a white trim.
Is that a knot or something? What was it?
It's just the wood is broke there. It's cedar, so it's not like a perfect wood. Oh. So there'll be a piece of trim that'll come right out to the end here and go past here a little bit, and it'll come up here.
Good idea.
Yep.
So it doesn't matter that wood.
Well, this corner, yeah, in this corner, you really don't notice. You know, people aren't going to be like turning the corner, like staring up at this. So what's most important is the top and the right side going down.
I'm glad too that we've got one, we're gonna end up with one long piece of cedar, 11 foot or whatever it is, instead of having a seam.
All right, Oma, let's get this on. Now when we put this on and it goes down, we have to go down together. I'll have to touch that up. I did a dry run and I smashed the paint. You gotta go a little higher, I think, or is it in my...
Mine's as high as it goes. Ready?
Yeah, go down gradually. Okay, I think we're good. You'll have to hold yours up, babe.
Okay.
Oh, go back. That's just water-based polyurethane on there, guys. This is an 18 gauge brad nailer and I'm using 1.5 inch nails. Let me get one more brad nail. These started to kind of twist a little bit. Sitting in the garage, they were on a rug, a rubber matted. Tricky part, figuring out where to put it because it's twisted a little bit. Is it crooked?
Looks beautiful.
Try to do this left-handed here. Hopefully this will work out. Actually, I went a little in the corner, I think. I tried putting this cedar on myself and I kind of banged up the paint a little bit here and there, so I have to touch that up. I finally got wise and had Michelle help me.
heard our song and Coldplay's on. You sing it loud, so off key. I laughed at you and you smiled at me. Ooh. I know that how it goes is that my dreams never die. As long as I keep the magic inside me alive. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? As simple as a wave, special moments made when you believe in magic.